Good morning, friends. We have a whole lot planned today, so I'm not gonna waste any time. First thing first, I have to do my nails. Look at that. That one looks pretty good, but look at this one. Look at this one. I have some errands to run. I have to get some of my feminine hygiene products. Today we're going makeup free again. You guys know that I just got my eyebrows microbladed. Okay, working on the skin. We're getting better. So let's get started, guys. All right, quick outfit of the day. Told you guys it was casual day. Look who's back there. Where are you going, mama? What do you have? Oh, geez. What's in there? Let's see what's in there. There's nothing in there. You put a straw in there? Let me, mommy, take that. Okay, you can have it. All right, can you take this? Can you take this? Okay. All right. Anyway, outfit of the day, like I was saying, a pink sweatpants, pink sweater, nice and comfortable. Take that, please. Where are you going, shorty? She's gonna go mess with my bag. She likes to go through my bag and take everything out and throw it on the floor. No, that's mommy's vlogging camera. Thank you. That's mommy's wallet. Can I have my wallet? No, not here. Anyway, oh geez, this girl. This sweater is actually my sister's. Nadia, can I talk? She actually came over here on her birthday to get ready for her birthday. And she took her sweater off and left it here. So it's mine now. Nadia, what are you doing? What are you doing, mama? Are you being naughty? Are you being a naughty girl? Look, Nadia has a gap, y'all. I don't know if I told you guys this. Look at the twins. Nadia, your hair needs done. We have another wash day coming up. Right, mama? Look at that finger. Oh my God, that looks really bad. I have to go fix that. But you guys, let's get out of here. I'm gonna put my stuff back in my bag. All right, family, I'm done with my nails. Look at this. All right, I don't know if this is doing it justice, but I like it. So it's neutral. It's like a pearl color. I wanted to go the festive route, but I really like these. So maybe in 2 weeks, I'll get something sparkly or red, but I really wanted to try this pearl off-white type color, and it turned out really good. We need some Cetaphil. This one is just for body. This one says body and face. This is the one I like. Definitely love my Carmex. These are great for the winter time, but the trick is here they have them as $1.99. So you have to buy 2 to get the other one at 99 cents. But honestly, at the Dollar Tree, these are $1. So get them at the Dollar Tree. I'm already here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get one. They have these kind too. These are actually my favorite. Always need a little tube of Vaseline. Definitely need one of these. So I am back from Walgreens. I did get a lot of stuff from Walgreens. So let me show you guys here. So this is my bag. I got the L'Oreal Paris facial cream. This is expensive, but it's really, really good. I did get this. This is Vaseline. For some reason, every time I wake up in the morning, especially if I stayed up late the night before, my eyes are super red and swollen. This helps with that a lot. I'm on my way to Kohl's. I'm gonna see what they have in there as far as home decor goes. I'm not sure if they have a lot because usually they don't. That's cute. Looking for some blackout curtains. That says it's 98% blackout. I need 100% blackout. This right here. So something like that. They do have a nice pillow collection. Again, most of their stuff is 50% off, so that is a good thing. So Nadia has a doctor's appointment today. So I had to get home real quick, grab her, and take her to her appointment. Why are you hugging mommy? Oh, she's so tired after all that. It is her nap time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let her sleep. So since Nadia is taking her nap, this is a great opportunity to get some work done. So the first thing I want to do is touch up my Christmas tree and put the finishing touches, and also wrap some gifts. For those of you guys who have followed me for a while, you know that I like to do the one gift box or gift wrap color. So I normally like to go to Victoria's Secret because they do give you gift boxes when you get stuff. So I just like to get all my gift wrap or boxes or bags from there, and then I'll put all my presents in it. That way I have a unified look. So that is a hack that I always use. So if you ever go to Victoria's Secret, Pink, or Bath and Body Works, especially around the holiday time, just ask them. They're usually good with that, so that is definitely something to keep in mind. just woke up. What are you doing, Mama? Oh. Look at my big girl. She has an attitude, y'all. Come on, let's go. So Nene just got a cover for Nadia's iPad, but she actually dropped it and cracked it, and I don't think that thing's gonna work anymore. So that is a waste. Oh, and it does it doesn't even fit. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, you got the wrong size. How did you get the wrong size? You should have measured it.
I forgot.
And she's over here on her dad's phone. Nadia, it didn't fit. She's like, I don't care. Look who's escaping upstairs with their food. Nadia? She's making a mess. Nadia, you know you're not supposed to take your food upstairs, right? She's eating rice, by the way. She likes the rice white like that. Nadia, where are you going? She's escaping. And she's protecting it. Oh, Nadia, look. Oh my God. It's okay, Mama. The gate is open. Oh, there we go. We're almost there. We're almost there. And we're gone. You made it, Mama. Yep, now she's just gonna make a bigger mess in her room. Good job, Mama, you made it. Good job, Nadia, you made it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I don't think I have anything else that is interesting to show you guys or to do with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.